Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is roasted garlic potatoes. As normal, a full list of ingredients, all 4 of them, can be found in the description box below. First, let's make the garlic infused oil. Simply slice the garlic, add the oil to a pan, add the prepared garlic and a pinch of salt, and gently heat. You're not looking to colour the garlic, just infuse the oil. As soon as it starts to bubble, remove from the heat. Next, we prepare the potatoes by cutting them into bite-sized chunks. Then place in a pan of salted water, bring up to the boil and simmer until fork or knife tender. When the potatoes are just cooked, drain well and add to an oven-proof dish. Pour over the garlic infused oil and thoroughly mix in. Then it's off to a 200°C oven for 30 minutes. When the 30 minutes are up, remove from the oven and thoroughly stir back through the remaining oil. Then it's back into the oven for another 20 minutes. Small piece of advice, eat this with your partner, because if you eat it on your own, you'll be sleeping in the spare room. Hope you liked this one. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you again. Bye for now.